Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Torx screwdriver, specifically a T20, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small container to hold screws. It's crucial to have everything ready before starting. First, unplug your Thermomix TM6 to ensure safety. Once it's disconnected, turn the unit upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the T20 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the bottom panel. Keep these screws in your container to avoid losing them. Now, gently lift the bottom panel off. You might notice some dust and debris inside. Use the soft cloth to clean the interior components. Regular cleaning helps maintain the efficiency of your machine and prolongs its lifespan. Next, locate the closure system. This component is essential for ensuring that your Thermomix seals properly during cooking. If you're unsure about identifying it, refer to the user manual for guidance. Once you've found it, examine it for any wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it's time to replace it. Before proceeding, if you don't have the tools or confidence to do this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help assess the situation and provide you with options tailored to your needs. Now, to remove the old closure system, carefully unscrew it using the same T20 screwdriver. Keep in mind, there might be additional screws securing the system in place. Once you've removed all the screws, gently pull the closure system out. If it's stuck, give it a slight wiggle to loosen it. Take the new closure system and align it with the screw holes. Before fastening it down, ensure that it fits snugly and there are no gaps. If you're unsure about the installation, refer to the provided guidelines or reach out for assistance. Remember, we can provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Once you have positioned the new closure system, secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure to tighten them evenly to avoid any misalignment. After securing the closure system, it's a good idea to check everything once more. Look for any loose screws or components that might need attention. Now, before reattaching the bottom panel, take a moment to clean the area where the panel will sit. This ensures a proper seal when you put it back together. If you require assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer no calls, no travel solutions, making it easy for you to get help from the comfort of your home. Start by placing the bottom panel back onto the unit. Align it correctly with the screw holes and begin to tighten the screws. Again, ensure that you are tightening them evenly to prevent any warping of the panel. Once all the screws are in place, turn the Thermomix back over. Finally, plug the unit back in and test the closure system. Make sure everything is working smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any necessary work. This way, you can make informed decisions about maintaining your Thermomix TM6 effectively. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.